Alright, let's look at the homework 3.3.3.4, problem number 6. Alright, so we want to use the present value formula to find the I value in this case. Everything else is given, so we want to find the I value. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so if you plug it in, the formula is, present value is equal to payment times 1 minus quantity 1 plus I raise it to the negative n over I, right? So we plug in all the values that's given. So present value is 12,000 and the payment is 500, right? Then we don't know I, so we're gonna have to leave it as it is. So 1 minus 1 plus I, raise it to the negative, n is 60, and over I. Alright, so we want to solve this equation for I. So, but this is actually a pretty difficult equation to solve. So what you can do is we can try to simplify as much as we can. For example, we can divide both sides by, say, 100. And so you can knock out those two zeros. Right? Actually, divide through by 5 as well. So it's going to be, it's 120 divided by 5 would be what? Let's see, 12. So you can put the two 5's in there, and then 20, so it's 24, right? So divide through by 5, you get 24 there. All right. Then what we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna use GeoGebra, right? So left hand side is 24, so I'm gonna just put y equals 24, right? So that's going to be just a horizontal line there. So I'm gonna just bring it down so that we can see 24. Right, so you can see that the black line, so that's 24 right there. Right, then we're gonna type in the second right hand side. So instead of I'm gonna use x because that's what the GeoGebra uses. So I'm gonna use, I'm gonna rewrite it as a 1 minus 1 plus x, raise it to the negative 60 over x, right? X. All right, then I'm gonna clean that up. All right, x, right? So let's type that in. All right, so this is going to be y equals, right? Quantity 1 minus 1 plus x, raise it to the negative 60 and divided by x, right? So you have that, right? Then we're looking for x, so which is the intersection of these two, because this is equation, so we have to make sure that the 24 is equal to this right hand side there, right? So I'm going to maybe stretch, rescale a little bit so you can see the intersection. Right, now you can see the intersection there, right? So I'm gonna find that intersection by using intersect. So make sure to highlight both and click, right? So let's see, it says at 0.04. So what's the precision they want? Right, they want rounded to 3 decimal places. All right, so we want the 3 decimal places. So GeoGebra, so it's 2 decimal, so I'm going to just change that option to 3 decimal places. Right, so it looks like x value, which is really the I value, is 0.037. So let's type it in. 0.037. Right, check the answer. Right, we got that. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.